All right, I'm the flatratemaster. Today we're talking about pay systems and, well, because I haven't stirred enough stuff up online. In the video, undercover, yada, 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 I made a statement that, and it got misconstrued apparently, is that hourly was more common than I thought, which was good for my audience because they wanted more hourly positions. It got misconstrued as other things. But anyway, I've said it in so many videos. I just didn't say it in that video. But the fact is I don't care how you get paid. Get paid how you want to get paid. When it comes down to it, it can be in units of chicken. I've said that in a video. How you get paid does not matter. Whether it's flat rate, whether it's hourly with commission, whether it's, hourly and that's it. And salary, well, is not legally allowed per comments by federal law. Not a lawyer, I don't know. But anyway, doesn't matter how you get paid. The pay system really doesn't matter. You can get paid in units of chicken. Doesn't matter. What matters at the end of the week is your paycheck. The paycheck is what matters. But thinking about this subject got me thinking about different generations. A lot of different generations have very different requirements when it comes to pay systems. And shops need to, start understanding that. Younger generations value vacation time over their final paycheck in some cases. They want stability, not flat rate. I said it. Hybrid systems where they have a base salary, hourly, whatever you want to call it, and a, commission-based payment system where you make commission based on your productivity. All fine and good. I don't care how you get paid. I don't care how technicians get paid. I don't care how shops pay technicians. I care how much shops pay technicians is what I care about. The final number. That's what I care about. And in my experience, a good shop under flat rate makes the most amount of money. My experience. Your experience will vary. As younger and younger technicians come into this industry, pay is going to have to change. Benefits are going to have to change. You're going to have to cater your pay structure to new generations. My generation not being ugly about it. My generation, for a lot of it, took flat rate, dealt with it, and moved on. Younger generation may not want flat rate. As simple as that. It may kick them out of the industry. So if you want young talent, you may be putting techs on hourly, and they may be very happy with that. But shops have to start catering to that situation. I don't think the one pay system and just a different rate on flat rate is going to continue all the way into the future. Do I think flat rate's going away? No. Do I think there's going to be changes in how shops operate? There's always going to be old dogs like me that want flat rate. There's going to be younger dogs that want flat rate. Hustle culture is a thing. And you have to remember that. Hustle culture is a thing right now. So you may get that young technician that doesn't want hourly. He wants full-on commission. He wants flat rate. But that next kid through the door may only want to work for hourly. Shops really need to start, catering to the employee themselves. Stop doing the one-size-fits-all pay plan and you just swap out the number on their flat rate or you swap out their number for their hourly rate and have the same commission rate or whatever. That, I think, will have to change to continue to draw in new talent. It just has to. Being quite frankly honest, and shop owners are not going to like this. Younger generation really value work-life home balance. and taking vacations, which is harder nowadays with the economy, but they really value vacation time, PTO. They may take less money for more PTO so they can enjoy their life and not work it away in a shop. So again, going back to that structure, you're probably going to be changing how you pay in the next several years because that's just how this system is now working. It's not in our industry. This is not exclusive. Fortune 500 companies are having to change how they do compensation packages. Pay your employees what they want and, well, pay them really well. And don't treat them like crap. It's the other thing. But, my point of this is the shop owners are going to have to adapt to this. This isn't, going away. Young technicians are leaving the industry because they can't get paid. I had an email just the other day complaining about, he couldn't find any shop willing to pay him what he thought he was worth. So he's leaving the industry. That's happening. I don't know what else to say on that. And he was willing to do either flat rate at one rate or for a lesser rate hourly, which I don't agree with. And nobody would pay that. And they weren't outrageous. They really weren't in this market. I mean, it might have been a little high for his area. I don't know exactly where he lived. But my point of this is start figuring out pay packages that work for the employees you want instead of one size fits all. So I hope you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.